hyoid bone,
and then
thyrohyoid
you
membrane,
have the iliopsoas,
thyroid cartilage,
and you have to have the
cricothyroid membrane, cricoid cartilage, and your tracheal rings.
And you got the band.
So you have, orbicularis oculi, orbicularis oris. This is your
Psoas?
Or is that
No, that psoas would be straight across.
Yeah, femoral artery. I was a little confused.
Is it zygomaticus major?
Femoral artery.
Yes.
Right. Buccinator.
Buccinator.
And
Zygomaticus major. Levator.
Yeah. Actually, that would be levator labii
Yeah, because they did
superioris.
Okay.
Right,
And it says this is the angle of the mouth.
Okay.
Zygomaticus major, buccinator.
And the facial nerve would be right.
This would be nasalis. This is the parotid gland. Or no, wait, this is parotid gland.
yeah.
See?
Okay, so
Parotid gland.
what's this?
There's the
So
masseter.
what
Masseter
parts of the
muscle.
uterus? On the outside is the
And the levator
perimetrium.
palpebrae.
Parts I haven't studied
Palpebrae.
mine is probably.
Levator palpebrae. Be right in there.
Oh no, okay, I see. Yeah, exactly.
Masseter.
This is cervix.
Digitorum.
These are
Where's the book?
extensors
One of them, I think this is
on the dorsal side as standing in the anatomical position.
Abductor.
Okay, this is abductor pollicis and longus.
This one.
This is the.
That's
You got.
you're getting almost. Okay. Medially,
It goes pollicis, adductor pollicis longus to pollicis brevis, pollicis longus.
are any of these starting with digitorum? Digitorum? No, they're all.
They're all adductor, pollicis longus, extensor pollicis brevis, and then extensor pollicis longus. Then you have flexor digitorum. Is it just flexor digitorum? I mean extensor digitorum, and then extensor carpi ulnaris. Is there anything deeper?
Long head.
Okay. Don't be shy.
Carpi
Hang on,
radialis.
let's slow down, girlfriend.
Extensor carpi radialis longus is. It's also dehydrated. Longus and brevis are right here, but longus is on the outside. I can't tell where longus is.
46, yeah.
Go crazy on me. God bless you. You okay?
So we've got extensor carpi radialis longus and extensor carpi radialis brevis.
So that runs.
Two of the carpal bones right
Okay.
here.
Okay. So radialis hits the radial. Okay.
You have extensor digitorum.
Correct.
Is there a superficialis and a
That's on the palm side.
okay? Because all of this seems so weird to me. What is all this? If this is extensor digitorum, what is this? Okay, moving on, and then coming out of this little space, you have extensor Pollicis or pollicis brevis, extensor pollicis longus, and adductor pollicis longus. Right? Is that the order?